no.
He already
Take
got
my
cut.
spot. Yeah, I got cut for this team.
Why did you choose knives?
I didn't expect somebody to go rip.
It's a knife.
You should have wrote it on the handle so you could hold it by the knife.
No.
That would have been smarter.
Yeah, you
No.
should have held it.
Too late. Too late.
It is too late.
Everyone, come hither. Come
Not being
hither.
emo, Tosha, get over here.
Okay, we're team.
Yeah, sure.
So who was the teams again? So we got.
Us three and them three.
It is. Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Can we re-roll?
No.
Let's say if you re-roll, you get. I don't know.
All right, fine.
You get an
If
extra
the
blank ball.
entire team does not like it, then you can reroll.
I want to be on a different
Okay.
team than him.
Oh no.
What?
Too late.
There's like 4
A different
things on there
team?
that are almost impossible.
I'm
Are you gonna make
confused.
I have no clue. To be
Is
honest,
this grilled ham and cheese? Are you serious?
I don't.
Okay, those
That's
We need to
four.
erase that. Erase
Okay,
that right
this,
there.
This
Those
was the
four
last.
right
Some type of ramen that takes 60 seconds.
type of ramen.
Okay, those are cups.
Bowl.
Some type of wrap.
Okay,
Yeah.
lo mein. French bread pizza stir fry. Okay.
Look.
Chicken.
Oh, Jen's
I
saying-
got 14 up
Goulash.
here.
Enchiladas.
And that's fine.
So if I'm
That's how it
spinning,
is.
I would like
You
that.
can spin it whatever way you want.
Spin it right now.
Right.
Yeah, that's
The white team versus the black
Alright,
people.
so this
You
is.
get to re-roll if you want to,
But that entire team has to vote.
Ha!
No,
So enchiladas.
I don't know how to make.
Well, you've got one no. You've
What
got.
do you think about enchiladas?
I don't know what that is.
All right, we're skipping.
Fair
someone
enough.
We should erase it from the board now.
Ladies
Nope, no erasing.
You're getting enchiladas.
Yep, that's right.
If it's
If it's
enchiladas,
real
then
season,
you have
half
to.
You're getting enchiladas again.
Lo
I don't know how to make
Any
those.
Lo
type of
mein's
lo
easy,
mein.
bro. Lo mein's easy.
Hey, you have freedom to put whatever in the lo mein. It just
Oh,
has to
dude,
be
that's
lo mein.
awesome.
Yeah.
Nathaniel,
I have no idea what
do
lo
us
mein
justice.
is.
Get us burgers or something.
Or ramen.
Enchiladas. Oh, there you go.
Stuffed peppers.
Stuffed peppers.
Oh.
There you go.
That's not
Fancy.
bad.
not
It's not
hard.
hard to make.
That's not even a. That's not the main course.
I don't
Why'd you
know.
put a main?
I
the main
put
dish on here?
stuff
This
up
is a
here
side
that I
dish.
thought
should
was
re-roll.
He also
okay,
put in the
that's
grilled cheese itself.
We should re-roll just
I
because.
literally said
ham
it
and
was gonna
cheese.
be
Cause stuffed
grilled
peppers-
cheese.
Oh, it's so hard to take
Yeah.
sliced meat
Oh.
and put it in the cheese.
Okay. There you go. Now you have some type of wrap.
Go wild.
Yeah, go wild.
Go wild.
We should put stuffed peppers in the wrap.
Yeah.
Stuffed
Wait, what are we
Well, it's like a
saying?
blood wrap.
We're making lo mein.
We have to find a lo mein recipe.
Yeah.
That's right. Find the.
You guys have
recipe.
$20. We have
money?
$20.
Where's my money?
$20.
Oh,
Yeah,
we
I
haven't
need
bought
my
stuff
money.
yet?
Yeah, we have to
No.
go to the store and buy
Oh,
it.
yeah, they're sticky
I
From
need
the
my
card.
money.
It's from the card. It's
We
from the
do?
card.
We have $20 to spend to get stuff for wrap. That's
Yes.
gonna be so easy. Tortillas are like $2.
Yep.
All right.
What kind of wrap? That's our choice. We get freedom.
There we go.
Okay, so what is it?
We should make it edible.
What is the fine? Yes, okay.
I think that'd be a good idea to make it edible.
Cheeseburger or non-cheese?
Sir, I don't think you're supposed to drop anything.
The shelf broke
Oh no.
and something fell out of the shelf.
I'll get it. I'll get it.
Is this what?
Yes, that was glass. Oh, we also still have to roll the wheel to figure out who has what thing.
I don't want to be blindfolded.
That's
All right,
nice.
well, here's
Do you
what
have
it'll
the
be.
expo marker? You can do it based on colors.
Red is blind.
How many colors
We
are
have
there?
too many
So there's
options.
four
How many
reds.
colors?
There's 4 colors.
Dude,
5 colors.
There are 5.
It's not even.
I
So,
have an expo
Red
marker.
is blind.
no, because red is the only one that is
Yes.
tomorrow.
Yeah, that's fine. So red is blind, yellow and purple are deaf, green and blue are mute.
Are you gonna remember that?
Yes.
I don't.
Let's see what you are.
Did you Sharpie my neck?
You are
It's
deaf.
just your birthmark, bro. What are you
Yeah.
talking about?
I'm okay with that.
You are
I am
deaf,
deaf.
man.
I am deaf, destroyer of hearing.
Okay, I'm deaf, guys.
What are you? You are
Also-
mute. So you are blind.
Oh no.
Oh
no.
You want okay? You sure you don't want to spin your fate?
This isn't gonna go
I'll
well.
spin my but I'm not being blind.
Well, are you on the red? Then it's
So you can still hear me, and I just can't hear you.
oh, look at that! You're deaf. Oh.
I'm deaf. Okay.
She's deaf,
Yeah. All right.
What?
I'm deaf.
So,
so you have to.
do you
wear
want
that.
to
Why is he in
spin
the
for your
corner?
fate?
Yeah,
If
you
you
gotta
are blind
spin.
or mute.
The light.
Wanna spin to see?
Yeah, I'll do
Because how do I get blind?
You're either gonna be mute or blind, and then I'm gonna be the
The
remaining.
blind person gets the
Does
bandana.
not have a headphone.
Oh, this
Let's
thing.
see. So yeah, purple.
Mine-
Oh, we
was-
haven't even figured out how we're making the.
So red
wraps.
is
That's okay. You were
for being
planning on
blind,
editing, so.
We got this.
and then it's yellow and this
Excellent, yeah.
purple. For
The only thing
being
is the blind
mute.
person, we have to try and have the blind person do stuff.
Your
Here,
headset.
I can
Otherwise,
duct
they won't
tape it in the back.
Blind.
No, it's fine.
All right.
Here, let me see.
Yeah, just hold it like this.
No,
You
gotta do
are
it a certain
mute,
way.
good sir.
Hold on, maybe you have to unravel it.
He's
So
mute.
it is deaf, mute, blind.
Okay. Hi.
This is gonna be quite interesting.
Okay, so.
Eat of this. No, no, stop it.
You're not getting much.
Hi. This is a segment which is you and me here. I don't know if the camera's rolling, but I'm about to get started.
They're the ones starting.
Yeah, I know.
They're the ones starting.
We just had to get him into character.
Who was deaf? Who's wearing the beats again?
Me.
Oh, there we go.
I'm wearing.
So you're mute. Okay.
I'm just gonna play
You're
random
deaf.
Disney songs.
Mute,
for
blind.
games.
I can still get mine to then.
Where does this start?
I'm pretty sure that's like 16 foot.
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, so I get to watch all
Yes.
this.
You
unfold.
have to
Okay,
make
do
sure
you
no
want
one gets
this or
hurt.
you want this?
Goodness gracious.
Oh, it's there.
Alex has just walked blindly into the dark.
Come
Okay.
back.
Like, shit.
That's not a knot. It will untie.
Don't use your hands.
Nathaniel, why don't you just tie it? You get it wrong.
That is
man.
No,
so-
don't ruin the boxing.
That's
No.
Try one. They're good.
this has been mutilated.
I'm gonna mute you.
What is happening?
These aren't that
I've
good.
heard.
No, they're not.
Oh, I thought I've heard that they are good. I don't know.
They're okay.
Oh, it does smell like Coca-Cola.
They smell like Coca-Cola. I don't taste it.
The soda is good.
The soda's in here. It's cooling down. Someone take care of that? It's in the fridge.
Oh.
It's bad. Your face says it all. It's bad.
Now pretty
You
close.
give up all the
What
rope?
was that?
No, you have the other rope.
Oh my goodness gracious! That's like
Oh,
30 foot of rope.
dang.
It's like 30
Wait,
foot.
have a knife.
What are the
His
what's
hands are not coming
What
on.
is that
Yeah.
taste?
I am not
That was
cheating.
something really strange.
Okay.
You're welcome.
That is weird though.
I prefer to eat the cookie over drink that.
Same.
What
It's
is
like
it?
all the other collab ones they've done. They all taste the same. It's all bad.
I'm gonna have to be so vigilant
Good,
for
working
each
on
of you guys.
Especially.
I mean, I like the birthday.
I think
birthday
it's
cake
too
one
tight.
they made.
It's too tight. Both hands are going red.
I wonder if it's all the hands.
His hands are going red.
I think it's too tight.
Why are you, why are you moving your hand over the table like it's about to fall off?
Do that! I didn't. Ow! What in the world?
Put it on his forehead.
No!
Jalen, you and me have to be either way.
Yep, that's true. That's
Whether
true.
the tape is
Sorry.
like.
My answer is smile and honey. No, Imperials, can you say the same?
Yes.
I'm rethinking this entire thing in real time right now.
Just don't talk.
I am rethinking all
Nope.
of this in real time.
Well, it's already 8 o'clock. It's 8:15 and we haven't even started cooking. This is great.
Okay.
Oh, we're putting those next to this more room, right?
No.
No, that's gonna confuse the people who are blind since
The people that are blind don't need
Oh,
to
we need
know.
both.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
Are we good?
I hope you guys got your plans of attack going.
No, not at all. We haven't decided. We're just
Oh.
gonna go for it.
Okay. Alright.
They need more planning than us.
Alright. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, so.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so.
Oh, yeah. You better wash your hands. Oh, it's over here. Here, we'll give you
Wow.
soap in a second.
They're so cleanly. And then the other team is
Here,
like,
yeah,
let's
hold
just
that
get
hand.
the cookie.
Over here.
Second. I missed his hand with the soap.
He said you can see. Oh my goodness.
All I can hear is you laughing. That's good.
He missed.
Here, dry your hair.
I got it.
Dry your hair.
Oh my gosh. That's hilarious.
Well, yeah, what are we starting with? What?
Wait, you don't boil it first?
The food.
Okay.
Oh, wait. There we
Hey,
go.
that's up to you guys. Oh wow, good catch.
What?
Good catch. I didn't
You
even
can't dye
realize.
your hair?
What are you talking about?
Okay, so.
We should start with
You
the
need a
chicken, right? Okay.
Water.
Here. Just for this, we just need a plate. This way.
Plate,
Put
right?
that on this plate, but we gotta open it.
Okay.
You gotta open it first.
Okay.
Yeah, just rip it open.
All right, so no one has any knives yet, right?
It's open now.
Yeah,
You
it's
just gotta pull the chicken out of it. You can rewash your hands. No, grab it with your hand.
Okay.
Just grab the chicken. Yeah, there you go. Put it. The plate's right here. There you go. Yeah. Put the other one on
So
there.
you're gonna cook the plate. Okay.
No, we're seasoning.
Hey, you can still hear me?
Okay, that's good.
You still
The
hear me?
music cut off.
Oh, you better turn it back on.
Okay, where's this wrap?
It like switched songs. I'm listening to
That's triple.
whatever this is, Beauty and the
That's
Beast.
all three. We just need two.
Oh yeah, you need to wash
Yeah.
your hands.
Yes.
Oh wait, no, season the chicken first.
Oh, that's. I got it.
Yeah.
Yo, if you don't tell him to stop, he's just gonna keep going.
Chicken's right there.
Like, you're gonna have. That's what all the. Wow, that's a heavy garlic flavor.
Okay, here's the powder.
Okay.
Pour it on the chicken. That's so much. Rub it in. Rub it into the chicken. Spread it out evenly.
Okay.
You're good.
Spread it out. It's all over the chicken.
Chicken, yes.
Ramen in that plate.
Stop. Oh. Keep going.
You're
One.
not even helping right now.
Oh, I
This
can't.
is the more of the chicken.
Yeah, hold on. I'm opening the seasoning.
I don't know what that means.
I mean you
I assume you cut it.
Hi, camera. I can hear that people are saying things, but I have no clue what they're
Good,
saying.
I'm glad.
This is horrible.
My ears are being assaulted by Beauty and the Beast right now.
No, he can't cut.
I did.
Oh, wash them. You'll wash them.
All washed. Is there more?
It was just immediately. It's like.
Y'all are making such a mess. Okay, here, I'll do the other side.
I hope you like seasoning.
Ew,
That's all you're getting.
Oh my goodness gracious.
I really wish I could see it right now.
Honestly, you have two of them pretty good. The third one, it's almost like you put it in the cake batter. So
Yay?
that third one's gonna be
Oh,
strong.
that's good, by the way. Bring it.
I have no idea.
Oh, thank you.
No.
Hold on, someone's texted me.
Someone's texted you.
Huh? Yeah, I'll rub it in and cut it more. What? Spread it out? Yeah, I'm gonna.
Okay, I see. Feigning that you can't hear me. I see how this is.
I can turn this off.
Yeah, that's how I'm gonna cut it.
Someone else can turn it off.
Isn't everything I wouldn't do for you? We're together. See it through, 'cause you
Leave it.
friend.
What is happening?
Leave it.
What is going on?
I'm doing my stuff.
What are you
What's
doing?
happening?
We need this. Where? You look for it. Go look for it.
No.
Oh,
What happened? Something fell.
No, nothing fell.
I
mermaid.
never put the wrap.
Interesting song choice.
We don't need all three of these.
Yeah, thank you.
You can see at least.
I'll put it in here. Oh, okay.
Yeah, why is the one
See if we
who's
can
mute
find a
trying to
small
give its
What?
instructions to the blind
It's
one?
dirty.
It's just hilarious.
So you need to wash the bowl.
Okay.
Wow. Oh, we gotta turn that on? So there is a men's breakfast tomorrow, which means we have to clean all of this, but that's fine.
Are you talking to me? Because I can't hear you.
I'm glad you can't.
Okay.